What's up, Sesses? Welcome back here in my channel, and this is once again Sesby. It's been a long time and now I'm back, and we're trying to make a reaction video out of one of the BINI songs that was released last February 13, 2025. And the title of this song is Blink Twice. For your information, guys, alam nyo ba yung song na ito ay umabot ng halos, or should I say lampas ng 1,000,000 within just 12 hours from the time on the day of release. So, alam nyo ba yun? Now you know, or diba? This song is a pop and R&B track by the BINI. Now we will be able to see kung gaano sila kagaling dito sa next song na ito, and pinaka-aabangan talaga ito lahat ng Blooms. So sa lahat ng Blooms dyan, I know that you are really excited about this, and right now I'm making this reaction video as this song is really trending, and we will try to see kung gaano sila kagaling. At yan talaga ang reason kung bakit ang dami-dami nilang invites and performances in different places here in the Philippines, of course. So let's watch and react to the Blink Twice by BINI. Guys, I'm sorry sa aking mata ha. There's really a problem about it, but then just bear with it, okay? So I'm just gonna be reacting to the video of the BINI. Thanks in advance. Alright. May bulungan na nangyayari, diba? Now there's a robot.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. But let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at the spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Alright, so stop muna natin dyan. As to what I noticed, of course, as always, magaganda silang lahat. At saka, yung datingan nila dito parang robot sila. So, they are in the lab and they will try to see kung ano talaga yung ibig sabihin ng Blink Twice dito. Yung theme ng song na to, based doon sa description ng kantang ito, is, it is about a woman who's taking the first move and is like waiting or trying to wait for the sign that the feeling is being reciprocated. So, we will try to see it here. Pero, sa napansin ko lang dito, may two sides sila dito. Yung parang soft side na nandito sila sa laboratory, at saka yung isa yung parang wild side nila. Yun yung iba yung damit nila. Yung parang may mga, parang, I don't know, paano ko ba sasabihin? Basta yung nasa version na nasa dark portion sila na iba na yung damit nila. So, we'll try to continue this video, and yeah, we'll try to finish this one and then react more to it. Okay, let's go!
You really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even looking at me.
Alright. Okay. Okay, yun na. About the song itself, it's maganda. Yung rhythm niya, I was expecting na parang medyo birit or like, you know, medyo high notes as parang usually kasi sa mga songs nila parang may mga matataas o may portion na like, you know, hindi ganito, hindi siya. Parang ito kasi, it's like super sweet na maganda din yung rhythm at saka yung beat ng song na pang-mastered talaga siya. Just an example, if hindi natin gusto yung English songs and we are into Tagalog songs, parang alam mo yun, mapapakinig ka talaga sa kind of song ng BINI kasi alam mo yun, nakakahikayat yun, yung music nila. So, I think this was released by, tingnan nga natin, this was released by Star Music. So, ayan. So, I think marami pang mga songs na i-release ang BINI, and of course, every song that they release, they perform it everywhere on stage, at saka, of course, they are sharing it to us, especially also yung mga choreography. Yung mga choreography ng dance nila, I mean, ng song nila. So, this music is really, really nice to hear. I mean, it's good for the ears. And yeah, I love BINI, you know. I love BINI. I must say I love BINI now. I mean, I like them. And, you know, the more that you listen to their music, the more that you're attached to it. And the more that you understand the meaning of every music that they make. So, or should I say they perform. Ayan. I think that's the right word. Based on the videos that I can see, especially, I'm not so sure kung saang application sila nagla-live, yung mga nasi-screen video ng mga iba't ibang tao at saka nire-repost sa kanilang mga pages. So, I can see them that they are just being real at saka humble sila. Ayun. And yeah, I'm happy that they are famous but humble. They get to influence you know, children to dance and sing. I think that's all that I can react to this song. Wala naman talaga akong pang ibang masabi kasi maganda nga talaga yung pagkagawa ng music video. It's colorful, and at the same time, they really perform well, not just on the music video, but of course every time they perform live. Hindi ko pa sila nakita, I mean personally, but basing on the videos posted of their previous released songs, I can say that they are really good. So congratulations again, BINI, and I hope that you will have more concerts to come. And yeah, that's it. Well, to all the blooms, just support the BINI all the way, and we know that they really deserve all of this. Alright, so two more reaction videos about the BINI songs. Actually, di pa lahat-lahat ng songs ng BINI ay napakinggan ko na. So, I'll try to search for some of the songs of the BINI and try to react to it. And watch out for that. Once again, this is Cesby, ang Chinitang Pinay ng Marty. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a nice day and peace!